Everybody knows about Frosty the Snowman, but not everybody knows about the secret brother, Frosty the Snowman, Blizzard the Snowman. He's been alive for many, many years, spraying people. You'll find out 10 minutes later. Everybody knows you don't want to mess with Blizzard, but not many people know that Blizzard messes with you.
Frosty the Snowman was a happy time.
No! This is Blizzard's fault! Cause you're bad, and now you're gonna be bad, and Blizzard is back on an attack. Oh, look at you, cause you are not coming back, you're back. That's such a bad. I can just say, you got that right. I'm mixing with Jay, I'm a girl right. Hit him in the back with a sled. Hit him in the back of the head with a sled. And got a praise in the tray. Come on, say, you don't know his head was made from a sled.
In the head is back.
He got hit in the head.
His head is red.
With a sled.
You shred.
That guy is on the ground cause he got hit in the face.
Now he's dead. Want it? I'm in my way. I want to get on the track. I'm so